Hey guys, welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an East Side, which is pretty exciting because it's a wonderful mint and cucumber forward variation on a gin gimlet. And for me, what I like about it so much is that it's a perfect gin intro cocktail for people who say they don't like gin. Because to tell you the truth, when people say they don't like gin, I don't believe them. I don't believe anyone that says that they don't like gin. If someone says they don't like gin, they either haven't had a bartender that knows what to do with gin enough to really get them to drink a proper gin drink, or they're just remembering to that time in high school or college where they drank a whole fifth of Seagram's gin and vomited and don't want to look at it anymore. And to tell you the truth, this cocktail kind of revives those people and really opens up a lot of doors for them. And I hope that it will open those doors up for you too. This drink was created at a bar in New York City called Libation by a guy named George Delgado. And then shortly thereafter, it was taken by Christy Pope to Milk and Honey. And honestly, because Milk and Honey was such a famous bar, that's when the drink really took off. Anyway, let's get into making it. It's a simple, awesome cocktail. I know you guys are going to love it. First thing we're going to do is take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. I don't know how many that was. You want about 8, maybe 6. 6 to 8 mint leaves. Put them at the bottom of your shaker, and you're going to add, is that all right? 2 cucumber slices. Then we're going to add 1 ounce of lime juice and 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. And then last but not least, the reason we're all here, 2 ounces of gin. Yes, I'm using Beefeater again. Why am I using Beefeater? Because I had this much Beefeater left, and I wanted to use Beefeater. Could you use Plymouth? Yes. Could you use number 3? Probably. Could you use Tanqueray? If you must. Today I'm using Beefeater. Anyway, we're going to take a muddler, like so. We're going to just press down. And the reason why I put the mint in here first is because I want the mint on the bottom and I want the cucumber to sit on top. The reason why I want the cucumber to sit on top is because I want it to press the mint without shredding the mint. And of course we need a glass. Anyway, there's our glass. We're going to fill with ice. And we're going to shake. For how long? If you look at the subtitles right after I start shaking, you'll know how long. I think that's long enough. I like to pour the excess in the glass. Now, here's a matter of some debate between bartenders. To double strain or not to double strain? To double strain or not to double strain, it's up to you. Some people say when they close the gate like that, they're going to get all the ice chips and they're going to not put them in the glass, but I don't believe that. At least I haven't been able to do that. I kind of feel like even the ice chips are so fine they come through the coil. Secondly, you're going to get mint pieces in there. So if you want something that has a lot of like little mint specks and stuff like that, and that doesn't bother you, then don't double strain. For me, I like my cocktails to look clean and beautiful. Not to say that it doesn't look beautiful the other way, but you will see, I know you can't see from right there, but from my vantage point, you will see that there are a bunch of tiny little mint specks in the top of the cocktail. And those will inform the taste of the cocktail, so you don't have to worry about it. I don't like having bigger mint than that in my cocktail. I like it to look nice and clean. And honestly, slap a little mint, okay, leaf, and we just place it on top like so. And that is it. That, my friends, is how you make an East Side.